Hey fam, welcome back. In today's video, I thought it would be fun if we unboxed my little Tribe beauty box for April 2021. So if you're interested to see what Tribe sent this month, I know I am, go ahead and stay tuned. We're gonna get into it right now. So I've just opened the top, but I do not know what is inside yet. We are doing this together. I know one thing that's in this box because I picked it out myself, but I have literally no clue what else is in here. I'm just pulling everything out of this bag and let's see what they sent. So the first product I see in here is this one from Maskerade. Maskerade, I guess like Maskerade, you know, but Maskerade. So this is the Matcha Detoxifying Clay Mask. Your perfect matcha, used 2 to 3 times a week, normal to oily skin. So I have dry skin. Oh, there are 3 of them. They come in these little like tubes. This is not perfect for my skin type, but I do love matcha and I do have issues with like congestion in my pores. So I may use this and then just go in with like a heavy duty moisturizer afterward, but I'm excited for this. I do love matcha and I definitely need help with congestion and texture. We have our little card that says share the love and it's got all of our prices and products. I don't want to spoil anything. So far we just have the mask. Product number 1. So the second product I see is by Spongelle. This is the Bulgarian rose scent beyond cleansing body wash infused buffer, multi-use. So I have seen a lot of people get these and I can smell the rose through the packaging. So this is very heavily scented. I've seen a lot of people get these in BoxyCharms. I've never received one myself. So I am interested to find out a little bit more about this product. It is basically a sponge that when you wet it, it's got the cleansing product in it. The soap is already kind of infused into the sponge. So I'm not in love with the scent because I don't love rose, but I am curious about the product. So we're not off to the best start so far with a mattifying product and this rose scented product, but we'll see what else we have and we'll go over all the prices as well. So next I see an eyeshadow palette. This is the Sweetheart eyeshadow palette from Lurella. And this is currently shrink wrapped. It comes in this little outer sleeve, which you can just slide off. This is made in China. And it's got a bit of like a raised shiny font that says Sweetheart, and the Lurella emblem there is raised as well. And the rest of this has like a bit of like a marble sheen. It's a very pretty packaging. And inside we have a lot of really pretty pinky purple shades. There are a ton of really beautiful looking shimmers in here that are very exciting. I think this color store is really pretty. I'm curious about the formula. I might have to try this for spring. The top of the palette says Hello Lover. It does have that kind of chemical smell that I do sometimes find with products from China, but the shimmers look seriously beautiful, especially this True Love shade down here. I think I might try this bad boy. It's really beautiful. Excited. Then we have a little bubble wrapped thing of items. Let's see what's in here. And I do definitely appreciate the kind of time that Tribe takes to make sure everything's really well bubble wrapped. So this is the giveaway product. This was the only one I knew about in the whole box, but I already have this highlighter. So I wanted to get this for one of y'all. Unfortunately, it looks like it is a little tiny bit, like a little chunk fell out of one part of it, but you guys can see I just opened it like that. I didn't do that myself, but I want to put this in one of my giveaway boxes and give this to one of you guys because this is a beautiful shade, Gilded Honey from Gellar. Sorry, it's a little bit beat up, but who isn't after the year we've had? Also see a Tweezer duo from Laurant. This is a brand I have seen in BoxyCharm, but I've never gotten tweezers from them before. I have one pair of tweezers from Cella that I love. These look great though. Oh, these are awesome. One is like a really fine tip. The other one has more of an edge. So I actually am really excited about these. I will definitely get some use out of these tweezers. I love that these are, the black pair is like a super pointed tip because I don't have anything like that. And then we have one more product in the box, and this is a liquid lipstick from Suva Beauty. I did get a Suva Beauty liquid lipstick before, but I think it was in like a dark plum shade. This is in Elysian, which for some reason sounds familiar to me, and it shouldn't since I only have one, but we'll see. This is like a bright reddish pink shade. It's actually really pretty. It's almost like a watermelon shade, I guess. But let's go over some prices. So our first was the Sweetheart palette. This is by Lurella Cosmetics, and this retails for $20 USD. It says you have the perfect balance of mattes and shimmers that can create from the most subtle of looks to the sultriest. With blushing and bright pinks to soft champagnes and peaches to deep and bold shades, you'll have everyone swooning over your eyeshadow glam. Next, we have the Spongelle Bulgarian Rose Body Wash Infused Buffer. This is USD $16. It says exfoliate and cleanse all at the same time. This hypoallergenic sponge has a time-released creamy lather made with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver. It moisturizes, rejuvenates, and restores your skin, leaving it soft as silk. I'm just worried about the scent on this one. It is so super rosy scented, which I don't love. Then we have the Laura Gellar Gilded Honey. It says Supersize Baked Gelato. Like, mine is not as big as this. This is gigantic. Supersize Baked Gelato Illuminator in Diamond Dust or Gilded Honey. I chose Gilded Honey. This retails for $55 USD. But it feels like super loose in the pan. Just like really be careful with this. This best-selling illuminator is yours in a super size that will last you a lifetime. This limited edition super size version applies like a sheer powder but feels like a cream, creating a translucent wash of luminous color for a youthful lit from within glow. That will go in one of my giveaways. We have the Steve Laurent limited edition tweezer duo. This retails for $24. Say goodbye to pesky stray hairs. Perfectly calibrated tension for more control and a stress-free tweezing ritual. This duo includes 2 stainless steel tweezer designs, one with a slant tip and one with a pointed tip, which I'm super excited. It's probably my favorite thing in the whole box. We had the Suva Beauty Elysian liquid lipstick. This retails for $18 USD. It says Suva Beauty's glossy lamination liquid lipstick is formulated to deliver a punch of opaque color and comfortable flexibility. And then the last was the Maskerade Matcha Detoxifying Clay Mask. This retails for $6.50, which isn't bad for 3 masks. This mask is the perfect way to cleanse and detoxify your pores, which is why I think I want to try it even if it is mattifying. Want an intense clean feeling? Yes. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, so it works for pretty much like this will be like 1 week's worth if you use 2 to 3 times because there's only 3 masks in here. Works to rid the skin surface of unwanted buildup and impurities, assists with prevention of acne, which I don't have as much issue with acne, but my pores get buildup and texture and stuff, and so I think this will really help with that. So we got 6 products. I think we got a decent array. Try Beauty Box does retail for $34.99 a month with $5 shipping, bringing you to a total of $39.99 every other month. So you get it bi-monthly. So I hope this was interesting. I've definitely been more excited about some boxes in the past, but I think we got a nice array. We got a skincare, a body care, we got a lot of makeup, we got some tools. So I think it was a nice array of products. Try Beauty Box is definitely a indie subscription box, so they don't have quite the scale that a BoxyCharm or Ipsy would have to be able to negotiate with like the big brands. But I think what they really do nicely is curate beautiful boxes with a lot of female-owned brands, a lot of indie brands. I think that's really special and cool. I really do enjoy Try Beauty Box, and this month was interesting. I'm excited to try that palette perhaps. I'm super excited for the tweezers. The Suva Beauty Lippy was beautiful. It's really perfect for like summer. I'm excited to get a mask that will help detoxify my skin. Finally getting a Spongelle sponge. I'll get to see kind of what people have been talking about. If I end up using that, it is rose scented, so I'm not sure. And I'm excited to have a giveaway product for you guys as well. So overall, I think this was a good box this month. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. I thank you so much for being here with me today. I love you all so much, and until the next video.